Hello, everyone, and happy Friday. Welcome to our AI and Insurance Services webinar. My name is Maddie, and I am part of the marketing team here at Imperium Dynamics, and I'm going to be the host today. And then joining us today, we have Sam Lutman, our Customer Success Manager. Hello, Sam.
Hey guys, thanks Maddie. Yep, my name is Sam Lutman over here at Imperium Dynamics. I'm a Customer Success Manager over here, and I'm excited to dive into AI and insurance for you guys here.
Awesome. All right. So if you are new and joining us here today, we are Imperium Dynamics, a proud Microsoft partner based in downtown Chicago, dedicated to bringing your vision to life within the Microsoft stack. We aim to help organizations of all sizes achieve digital transformation by solving complex problems and delivering long-lasting impact through the Microsoft Cloud solutions with, of course, a focus on increasing both the capabilities of people and the performance of businesses. All right, and then just a little bit of housekeeping before we go ahead and get started. This session is being recorded, and after the webinar is over, you can access the recording on our website. So feel free to revisit it or even share it with your colleagues. And then next, if you have any questions throughout the presentation, feel free to drop those in the chat and we will reply as we're going. And then finally, we will also be sharing a copy of today's slide deck after the session on our website. And this is on the webinar page. This way you don't have to worry about taking detailed notes during the presentation. All right, and then moving on to the agenda. So here's a quick overview of our agenda. We're going to be start off with discussing AI trends and outlook, and then current industry challenges, following with AI in action, and then the future of AI and insurance services. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in.
So the first thing that we'll be touching on today in the webinar is the relevance of AI in insurance institutions. So AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's actively transforming how you manage policies, detect fraud, and serve your customers. In fact, 70% of insurance firms have already invested in AI to enhance customer experience and streamline claiming processes. So if you're not already leveraging AI, you could be missing out on some significant efficiency gains. AI has reduced underwriting times by 45% and cut infrastructure costs by 35%. Whether it's fraud detection, policy automation, or personalized customer engagement, AI is making a huge impact, and it can do the same for your institution. With that being said, let's move on to the current data in the industry.
Awesome. Thank you, Sam. All right, so with the current data, we did some research and we have a few key findings. So first, we found findings as far as accuracy goes with using data in AI in the insurance industry. So starting off, it was found that AI algorithms can actually improve claims accuracy by up to 90%. And then as far as client outcomes goes, it was found that AI can help in auto insurance by assisting insurers in offering more personalized rates, leading to 10 to 15% lower premium costs. And then as far as fraud detection goes, AI can actually predict the impact of cyber attacks with 80% accuracy, leading to better preparation and policy design. And then we have a cool little industry fact to the side over here from Deloitte, and it is that AI can enhance underwriting efficiency, therefore reducing the time required for underwriting by up to 40%. Awesome.
Great. Thanks for those insights, Maddie. Now I kind of want to transition to the challenges here and discussing that. So the first challenge is that a lot of insurance cases are insurance fraud. So insurance fraud is a persistent issue that may already be affecting your bottom line. Fraudulent claims are becoming more and more sophisticated, making them harder for you to detect using traditional methods. If you're still relying on manual fraud detection processes, you know how time-consuming and efficient they can be or not. Not to mention the prone to human error. Cyber fraud is also on the rise, with identity theft and policy impersonation, leading to significant financial losses for insurers like yourself. Fraudsters exploit vulnerabilities in digital claim submissions, which is why it's more important than ever to have advanced detection mechanisms in place to avoid these fraudsters. Second challenge I want to dive into here is streamlining policy management. So managing insurance policies manually isn't just tedious, it's costing you valuable time and resources. If your team is still using outdated systems that require heavy manual intervention for policy updates and renewals, you're likely facing bottlenecks in your underwriting process. And on top of that, without real-time data integration, it's difficult for you to dynamically adjust policies based on risk factor, customer behavior, and changing regulations. These inefficiencies contribute to higher operational costs, slow response times, and ultimately make it harder for you to stay competitive within your organization. Another challenge that I want to highlight here is client satisfaction. So your customers expect fast, personalized, and seamless experiences, but outdated systems and slow claiming processes, processing times can create frustration. If you've ever had a customer complain about long wait times, inefficient customer support, or overly complicated policy documentation, you know firsthand how these issues can impact customer retention. People want self-service options, real-time updates, and proactive policy recommendations. But if your system isn't built to handle these expectations, you could be losing customers to competitors who are already leveraging AI to improve their solutions there. Now, the last challenge I want to focus on here is document lifecycle management. So in insurance professionalism, you know how much documentation is involved for your work, from policy contracts to claim submissions and ultimately compliance reports. Handling these documents manually is more than just a hassle. It increases the risk of errors, misplaced files, and compliance breaches. If you're ever struggled with the slow document retrieval, inconsistent record keeping, or challenge of maintaining regulatory compliance across multiple jurisdictions, you're not alone. With automation processes, document processing remains one of the biggest inefficiencies in the industry. So now let's kind of explore a little bit on how AI is addressing these pain points and driving transformation across all these industries. So with combating fraud, AI can leverage this by helping you combat this by leveraging machine learning and predictive analysis to detect unusual patterns in claims and transactions. Traditional fraud detection methods rely on rule-based systems, which fraudsters can eventually work around. AI, however, continuously learns and adapts, making it much harder for fraudulent claims to slip through. AI-powered fraud detection has already saved insurers up to $44 billion annually, and its ability to predict cyber threats with 80% accuracy helps insurers like you prepare for emerging risks. Additionally, AI identify verification tools add an extra layer of security, ensuring that your policyholders are who they claim to be. So if managing policies slowing you down, AI can help by automating the extraction and the validation of data. Forms AI ensures accuracy, information processing, and increasing underwriting accuracy by 50%. AI-driven underwriting solutions also allow you to assess risk factors more effectively, and real-time data analysis helps you offer tailored policies that adjust based on customer behavior and market trends. AI can even automate routine policy renewals, flagging those that require manual review so your team can focus on high value tasks. So your customers deserve a seamless experience, and AI can help you provide seamless experience with your customers. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can offer 24/7 support, answering inquiries and guiding customers through claims or policy adjustments without human intervention. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also reduces operational costs for your business. AI-driven insights help you anticipate customer needs, allowing you to proactive services and personalized recommendations. Companies that have implemented AI into customer service have seen a 25% increase in their net promoter score, something that you also could achieve in your organization. Lastly, I want to touch on the pain point of how AI solves the document lifecycle management. You don't have to waste time when it comes to manually handling documents anymore. AI automates document processing using natural language processing and NLP to extract key details, categorize documents, and make them instantly searchable. AI-powered tools also compare versions of contracts, flagging even the smallest changes so you never miss an update. This transformation ensures compliance, reduces errors, and frees up your team to focus on what really matters, servicing your clients. So now that we've kind of discussed on the pain points that AI solves, I want to dive into how AI can help service addresses these challenges, and it's so time to see some AI in action, essentially. So with the HR agent that we have here, if you're managing a team, you know it's challenging to juggle multiple employee requests, HR inquiries, and administrative tasks. With this HR agent, it's ultimately an AI-powered tool to lighten your workload by automating everyday HR processes. Whether you need to track employee requests, create tasks, or manage Outlook calendars, HR Agent has you covered the entire way through. With built-in AI capabilities, it helps HR admins and managers provide faster responses, streamline workflows, and stay organized. Some key features of include AI-driven to-do list management, where you can update, rename, and delete tasks seamlessly. It also integrates with Outlook to manage events, track meetings, and provide timely reminders. Another powerful feature is its SharePoint-based HR reminders, which instantly fetch relevant information based on your employee inquiries, which HR Agent, you can spend less time on repetitive admin work and more time focused on strategic HR initiatives. So now let's take a look at another AI-driven tool transforming the document management system. So with Acadia, managing documents can be tedious, especially when dealing with contracts, compliance forms, and policy renewals. Acadia is an AI-driven document lifecycle management tool that takes out the hassle out of document organization, making collaboration easier and more efficient within your organization. With intelligent section assignment, Acadia can automatically scan and categorize sections within a contract, making it easier for you to locate specific terms without endlessly scrolling. Its AI chatbot can summarize entire documents, find key clauses, and even suggest edits to improve clarity and compliance. One of its standout features is the document comparison. If you're ever dealing with contract renewals, Acadia highlights every single change, even down to punctuation, ensuring you're always aware of the modifications. This tool helps your team save time, reduce errors, and stay on top of document accuracy with ease.
All right, thank you for those demonstrations, Sam. Those were insightful. So now we're going to move on to what the future holds for AI and insurance. So these are a few industry predictions we found for AI's impact on the insurance industry in the future. So starting off, it was found that 25% is actually the expected increase in net business that insurance firms will see with AI implementation. And then next is $6 billion is actually the amount the global market for AI and insurance is projected to grow by 2028, which is insane. 40% is how much operational costs in insurance firms are expected to decrease by 2030 due to AI implementation. And then finally, 76% of US insurance firms are expected to implement Gen AI in at least one business function by the end of 2025. Awesome. So now we're going to look at how Microsoft Business Apps can help with Sam.
So Microsoft's AI-powered tools are transforming the insurance industry by enhancing efficiency, managing risks, and delivering smarter customer experiences. With AI and Copilot, you can analyze customer data and gain predictive insights, allowing you to offer more personalized solutions. Tools like Microsoft Dynamics 365 help unify customer interactions, providing data-driven recommendations for better decision-making. For compliance and risk management issues, Microsoft Azure AI and Compliance Manager provide real-time risk assessments and predictive analysis, ensuring you stay ahead of evolving regulations while minimizing compliance costs. AI's role in insurance industry is only growing. Let's wrap up with some key takeaways.
All right, so thank you so much, Sam, for those insights, and thank you so much, everyone, for joining our AI and Insurances webinar. So just to recap, we started by exploring AI's current trends, from machine learning-driven analytics to AI-powered fraud detection and customer personalization. We then addressed industry challenges such as streamlining policy, document lifecycle management, and the struggle to personalize customer experience. So as we've seen, AI is not just a challenge, but it's also the solution. We then dove into AI in action, and this is where we demonstrated how leading insurance institutions are leveraging AI for fraud prevention, streamlining policy management, and enhanced customer experiences. And then finally, we looked ahead at the future of AI, where innovations like generative AI, predictive analytics, and AI-driven insurance professionals will continue to redefine the industry. So we hope you found this webinar insightful and gained valuable knowledge to apply to your business. If you would like to scan the QR code, feel free to do so. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email info@imperiumdynamics.com. So by partnering with Imperium Dynamics, you gain access to innovative solutions that address your challenges head on. Thank you, Sam, for joining, and thank you, everyone, for joining. Have a good day.
Thanks, guys.